Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip, this time looking at powdery mildew. This picture shows my rows of Banksii growing up the side of the house. It's a very early flowering, rambling rose, very vigorous, so this is a picture of it flowering in spring with these beautiful clusters of primrosy yellow flowers. And you can see, though, that it is absolutely as big as I want it to be. Certainly don't want it to block the windows out. By midsummer, it has put on at least 1 metre of extension growth on all the stems and is beginning to cover the windows up. And if I zoom in here, you can see that some of the shoots on the very ends are looking pale and a little bit twisted. And in fact, if you get up close and peer at it, this is the beginning of powdery mildew. This is a fungal disease, mainly seen on the leaves and stems of plants, sometimes on flowers and buds, and it can hit a very wide variety of plants. This particular one is on my roses, and the spores have an unusually high water content, meaning they can survive and infect plants under much drier conditions than most other fungal diseases, so you often see it in summer like we are here. Coupled with this, plants suffering from water stress are already struggling and are much more likely to be affected. I suspect that the reason my rose has succumbed to mildew this dry summer is that it's planted right at the base of a wall alongside a path and doesn't actually receive any rainwater at all naturally because it's under the eaves and is therefore sheltered. So I need to water this more in order to make sure that it gets all the water and doesn't begin to suffer from stress. But all is not lost. What I need to do here is prune back the unwanted growth, which in fact will have the effect of taking out all the mildewed stems at the same time. So it's back nice and tight against the wall. That'll reduce the amount of leaves that the plant needs to support and, as I say, remove the fungal spores. Then after pruning it, it'll have some fertiliser and a good amount of water to keep it nice and moist at the root through the rest of the summer, and it should recover perfectly well and produce new shoots to produce flowers next year.
There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!